Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a classic recipe from the beautiful coast region of Konkan. This fish curry is a perfect blend of spice, tang and coconut, something you can whip up in no time but still feel like you're savoring the essence of the coast. Let's get started. First things first, we are going to marinate our fish. I have taken 5 pieces of fresh Indian salmon for this recipe, but feel free to use any fish of your choice. The recipe remains the same. All we need is a touch of turmeric to marinate, and we'll let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes while we prepare our masala. For our masala, we'll blend some simple but flavorful ingredients. Into a mixer jar, add half a cup of freshly grated coconut. This is what gives the curry its richness. Then toss in 10 to 12 peppercorns for that gentle heat. 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for color and mild spice. And about a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder for that earthy golden touch. Now add 5 to 8 garlic cloves separated and peeled, 4 roughly chopped onions. Finally, add a bit of water and grind this mixture into a fine paste. Now that our masala is ready, let's heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a deep pan. Once it's warm, add the freshly ground masala and saute it until those wonderful aromas start filling your kitchen. Now we are adding the unique tanginess to our curry. I have soaked 4 kokum rinds in water for about 15 minutes. Kokum adds a wonderful sourness that balances the creaminess of the coconut. Add the soaked kokum water to the pan along with 1 tablespoon of tamarind pulp, which I soaked in hot water for about 10 minutes. Mix everything well and let it come to a gentle boil. Once your curry starts to bubble away, it's time to add the marinated fish. Be gentle when adding the fish to make sure it stays intact. Give it a light stir and add salt to taste. Let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes, just enough for the fish to cook through and soak in all those incredible flavors. And there you have it, a deliciously fragrant fish curry ready to be served with hot steaming rice. The perfect comfort meal with a Konkan twist. Simple yet full of soul. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you give this Konkan style fish curry a try. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more coastal favorites, and comment down below with your favorite fish curry variation. I can't wait to hear from you. See you next time.